Understanding Newton's laws is crucial for comprehending the fundamental principles governing motion and forces in the universe. Just as God created the heavens and the earth with order and precision, Genesis 1:1, in the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. Understanding the laws that govern motion allows us to appreciate the intricacies of His creation. Psalm 19:1. The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of His hands. Mastery of Newton's laws enables precise prediction and control of object motion in a wide range of scenarios, from everyday situations to complex engineering projects. This aligns with the biblical principle of stewardship, where God entrusts us with the responsibility to care for and manage His creation. Genesis 1:28. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number, fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky and over every living creature that moves on the ground." By understanding and applying Newton's laws, we can responsibly use the resources and talents God has given us to improve the world around us. Newton's laws serve as the cornerstone of classical mechanics, providing a systematic framework for analyzing forces, accelerations, and motions. This reflects the biblical principle of seeking wisdom and knowledge, as Proverbs 4:7 states, "The beginning of wisdom is this, get wisdom. Though it cost all you have, get understanding." Application of Newton's laws is essential in various fields such as engineering, aerospace, and automotive design, ensuring the efficiency and safety of technological advancements. This underscores the biblical principle of diligence and excellence in work. Colossians 3:23. Whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord, not for human masters. As applying Newton's laws with precision and care leads to advancements that benefit society and glorify God. Newton's laws explain phenomena observed in daily life, from the motion of vehicles to the behavior of projectiles, enhancing our understanding of the physical world. This aligns with the biblical encouragement to seek understanding and knowledge. Proverbs 2:6. For the Lord gives wisdom, from His mouth come knowledge and understanding. As studying the laws of motion allows us to better appreciate God's handiwork in the world around us. Proficiency in Newton's laws fosters critical thinking and problem-solving skills, empowering individuals to analyze complex systems and make informed decisions. This reflects the biblical call to wisdom and discernment. James 1:5. If any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. As understanding Newton's laws equips us to navigate the complexities of the world with wisdom and insight. These laws form the basis for understanding advanced concepts in physics, including energy, momentum, and fluid dynamics, facilitating further exploration and research. This aligns with the biblical encouragement to explore and discover the wonders of God's creation. Psalm 111:2. Great are the works of the Lord, they are pondered by all who delight in them. As studying the laws of physics allows us to uncover the mysteries of the universe that point to God's infinite wisdom and power. Knowledge of Newton's laws transcends cultural and linguistic barriers, providing a universal language for describing and analyzing motion. This reflects the biblical principle of unity and diversity. Revelation 7:9. After this I looked, and there before me was a great multitude that no one could count, from every nation, tribe, people and language, standing before the throne and before the Lamb. They were wearing white robes and were holding palm branches in their hands. As the laws of physics serve as a common framework that transcends cultural differences and allows people from all backgrounds to collaborate and communicate effectively in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding. Understanding Newton's laws fosters an appreciation for the interconnectedness of physical phenomena, promoting interdisciplinary thinking and collaboration in scientific research. This aligns with the biblical principle of unity and cooperation among believers. Ephesians 4:3. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. As studying the laws of physics encourages collaboration and mutual learning among scientists from different fields and backgrounds. Proficiency in Newton's laws empowers individuals to engage with scientific inquiry and contribute to advancements in physics and related fields, driving progress and innovation in our understanding of the natural world. This reflects the biblical call to stewardship and service. 1 Peter 4:10. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others, as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various forms. As using our God-given talents and abilities to study and understand the laws of physics allows us to participate in God's work of sustaining and caring for His creation.